All right, let me show you guys again. $20 in 5 minutes over and over again. Extremely easy. It takes absolutely zero skill. Watch. So type in and go to Google Translate real quick and then click this microphone button right here. Now everything you say will be translated to this side in whatever language you want. So open up another tab of people per hour and then post your gig. So basically this one, for example, is translate from English to German, $25. I suggest you do yours at like 20. Try to beat the market and then people will pick you and you'll make a ton of money. So I'm sure you guys have heard of a linguist before. Those are people who go to school for quite a long time to be experts in translating other languages. So you guys are going to have the same pay scale as them because of your ability to translate through an app where you didn't even have to go to school for it. And you make just as much money, even if you're in high school. And that's just going to be one source of passive income you have, and hopefully you're combining it with other sources of passive income from my page. Stop playing around and follow me. Let's get this.